Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Tour. I'm Alex.
Hi, everyone. I'm Maya. It's great to have you here with us today.
Today, we are going to practice another very useful daily English conversation.
Yes, today's topic is asking for Wi-Fi or internet help.
This happens all the time at cafes, hotels, airports, offices, libraries, and even at home.
And don't worry, the English is very simple and easy to use.
Today, you will learn how to ask for the Wi-Fi password, explain internet problems, and ask for help politely.
These are conversations people use every single day.
For today's role play, I will role play as a cafe worker, hotel staff member, office worker, and technical support person.
And I will role play as a customer, hotel guest, traveler, and employee who needs internet help.
Later, we may switch roles so you can hear different ways to speak naturally in English.
So speak with us and practice out loud.
All right, everyone.
Let's begin our English role play.
First, let's ask for Wi-Fi at a cafe.
Alex, I need to send an important email, but my internet is not working.
Then let's ask for the Wi-Fi password.
Good idea.
Now I will role play as the cafe worker.
And I will role play as the customer.
Let's practice asking for Wi-Fi politely.
Excuse me, do you have Wi-Fi here?
Yes, we do.
Great. What's the password?
The password is written on the menu.
Oh, I see it now. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is the Wi-Fi free?
Yes, it's free for customers.
That's nice.
You can also scan the QR code on the table to connect faster.
Oh, wow, that's convenient.
Yes, many cafes use QR codes now.
Technology makes life easier sometimes.
Haha, sometimes. Now, let's handle trouble connecting to the Wi-Fi.
It's still not connecting.
That happens sometimes. Let's ask for help politely.
All right. You continue role-playing as the cafe worker.
And you continue as a customer having internet trouble.
Excuse me, I can't connect to the Wi-Fi.
Let me check. Did you type the password correctly?
I think so.
Try using all lowercase letters.
Oh, now it's working.
Great.
Actually, it disconnected again.
Sometimes the signal is weak near the window.
Really?
Yes. Try sitting closer to the center of the cafe.
Okay, I'll try that.
You can also turn your Wi-Fi off and on again.
Good idea.
Is it working now?
Yes. Much better now.
Perfect.
Thank you for your help.
Now, let's imagine we are staying at a hotel.
Yes. This can also happen while traveling.
Exactly. Hotel guests often ask for internet help.
Especially when they need internet for work or video calls.
That's true.
This time, I will role play as a hotel guest.
And I will role play as the hotel staff member.
Hello. The internet in my room is very slow.
I'm sorry about that.
I need to join an online meeting soon.
I understand. I'll restart the router.
Thank you.
Please wait a few minutes.
No problem.
May I know your room number?
Room 305.
Thank you. I'll check the connection for that floor.
I appreciate it.
If the problem continues, we can move you to another room with a stronger connection.
That's very helpful.
We want to make sure you have a comfortable stay.
Thank you so much.
Let's ask for internet help at an airport.
Airports also have Wi-Fi problems sometimes.
Yes, especially when many people are using the internet at the same time.
Now I will role play as a traveler.
And I will role play as the airport information worker. Let's practice airport English.
Excuse me, do you have free Wi-Fi here?
Yes, we do.
How can I connect to it?
Select airport-free Wi-Fi on your phone.
Okay.
Then please enter your email address to log in.
Oh, I understand now.
After that, the internet should work automatically.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Now, let's imagine an office situation.
Internet problems also happen at work.
Yes, and many people need to ask co-workers for technical help.
This time, I will role play as an employee.
And I will role play as the office IT support person. Let's practice office English.
Hi, Alex. My computer isn't connecting to the internet.
Let me take a look.
I cannot open any websites.
Did you restart your computer?
Not yet.
Please try restarting it first.
Okay.
Also check if airplane mode is turned on.
Oh, wait, it is turned on.
Haha, that happens a lot.
Now the internet is working again.
Problem solved. Let's have a friendly conversation.
Alex, can you live without the internet for one day?
Honestly, that will be difficult.
Same here. We use the internet for everything now.
Work, videos, messages, maps, shopping, everything.
Exactly. That's why these conversations are useful.
And knowing simple English can help you anywhere in the world.
Especially while traveling.
That was simple and practical English.
Yes. These phrases are very common in daily life.
Let's review some key sentences.
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
What's the password?
I can't connect to the Wi-Fi.
The internet is very slow.
Can you help me connect?
Simple and useful English.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Repeat after us.
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
What's the password?
I can't connect to the Wi-Fi.
The internet is very slow.
Can you help me connect?
Excellent job.
Keep practicing these sentences every day.
Before we finish, let's have a friendly ending conversation.
Alex, what do you usually do when the internet stops working?
First, I restart the router.
Haha, that's what everyone does.
And sometimes it actually works.
Technology can be funny sometimes.
Very true.
And sometimes the problem is just the password.
Yes, that happens too. Today, we learn how to ask for Wi-Fi and internet help in English.
Very simple conversations you can use every day.
At cafes, hotels, airports, offices, or while traveling.
Remember, simple English is powerful.
You don't need difficult vocabulary to communicate clearly.
Just practice a little every day and speak confidently.
And don't forget to check the description for more practice sentences.
If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
It can help them improve as well.
Thank you for learning with English Tour.
See you in the next episode. Bye.